Welcome to our guide on the 4% rule, one of the most widely recognized guidelines for safe retirement withdrawals. This time-tested principle helps retirees determine how much money they can safely withdraw from their retirement portfolio each year without the risk of running out of funds during their lifetime. Understanding this rule is essential for anyone planning their financial future and seeking peace of mind in retirement. The 4% rule is straightforward. In the first year of retirement, you withdraw 4% of your total retirement portfolio value. For example, if your portfolio is worth $1 million, you would withdraw $40,000 in year one. Each subsequent year, you adjust that withdrawal amount to account for inflation, ensuring your purchasing power remains consistent throughout retirement. Let's look at a concrete example to make this clearer. Imagine you have saved $1 million for retirement. Using the 4% rule, you multiply $1 million by 4%, which equals $40,000. This means you can withdraw $40,000 in your first year of retirement. In year two, you would adjust this amount based on the inflation rate to maintain the same standard of living. The 4% rule is grounded in rigorous research known as the Trinity Study. This study analyzed historical market data spanning from 1926 to 1995, examining various withdrawal rates and portfolio compositions. The research found that a 4% initial withdrawal rate had approximately a 95% success rate over 30-year retirement periods, meaning portfolios lasted the full duration without being depleted. The 4% rule relies on several important assumptions. First, it assumes a diversified portfolio containing both stocks and bonds, which helps balance growth potential with stability. Second, it's designed for a 30-year retirement timeline, which is typical for someone retiring around age 65. Third, the rule assumes annual adjustments for inflation to preserve purchasing power as living costs rise over time. While the 4% rule is a helpful guideline, there are important factors to consider. Market downturns early in retirement, known as sequence of returns risk, can significantly impact how long your portfolio lasts. Additionally, healthcare costs often increase faster than general inflation, potentially requiring higher withdrawals than anticipated. These considerations mean the rule should be viewed as a starting point rather than a guarantee. Successful retirement planning requires flexibility. Rather than rigidly following the 4% rule every year, consider adjusting your withdrawal rates based on current market performance. During bear markets or economic downturns, reducing spending temporarily can help preserve your portfolio. It's also crucial to review and rebalance your portfolio annually to maintain your desired asset allocation and adapt to changing market conditions. Remember, the 4% rule is a valuable guideline and starting point for retirement planning, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every individual situation is unique, with different spending needs, risk tolerance, and retirement goals. For personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances, always consult with a qualified financial advisor who can help create a comprehensive retirement strategy that works best for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.